go kry tšhelete
ya SARS.
ya SARS. Ke SASSA e eng a e kry-ang?
O na le like monahano wa hae o short le moholo.
Okay.
Because sila e try way before, so ko tleliniking ba motse gore if o tlo continue wa bina ko strateng rona re ka se tlhole re khata tšhelete sa because of like lena nare nna ke half nna ke nya ke tšhelete e so a ke tsore keng e mo kukileng this time or tsamaya okay ya ka gopola mama ko mo advice tsa re wena o half no
le thabile baloi le thabile a le na le baloi shem le baloi yo a le thabile baloi ke lena le thabile hey a ke sa gola SASSA a le thabile baloi shem se le mabitso a bone ke baloi le baloi
Erinhlala. My blow. Tata scream. Tau. Hey, uchamonati. Yo, uchamonati. Yo. It is uchamonati. Yo. Talk to the chamonati. Tata man.
Elam Zainita Gossip Girl Tsekeleke stopped receiving his disability grant in February because on social media he was portraying a lifestyle that he is capable of making a living. January, the Tulo family went to social worker complaining about a lot of things, and that is one of the reasons why his grant was taken away from Tsekeleke. March, Tsekeleke went to Mabopane SASSA offices to reapply for the disability grant, which is currently 2,315 rand. The application is now successful. The month of April 2025, he gave his sister 500 rand plus a chicken just to thank her for assisting him with reapplication of the disability grant, and he also gave Black Cat, the girlfriend, allowance of 300 rand plus a chicken, and his mom only received a chicken. Guys, mama Tsekeleke humane go fela. Sometimes we know that Tsekeleke has been complaining about leakage of the ceiling and so forth, and it is currently raining, so we'll just see if Tsekeleke will fix the ceiling or not. But he's sabawelling, he's busy buying booze from the money that he gets from the gigs and so forth. Hi guys, tutla we not too much. Anyway, ramlebogisho humani chalta SASSA. Bye bye.
Usaka o thusitse too much bana no go gola SASSA e tsene ke gola ka teng ka le go se tshwetse ba tlo ka le go se tshwetse bana no ka gola tshitsa
ke le le go ga ngwana ko hae o ante mo ka 500 la bitare ka bopile di share ka mo ka le go ngwana ko hae re sa go go SASSA tsene re utlwa monate re ja monate
Yeah. Yeah, that one is my one how. And also it's a thing or this is that. Go Black Cat. Yeah, can I take a look over a couple of two? We said it cool high. Can I take it Lamono Tenagatona, Muslamon? Can I take a lake? Can I take it? Can I take Isa Kogo old lady? Mama, take or get a coma. Mama, I should take what they said it's a call. Hey, okay, Saturday, somewhere no city a mama straight like one of us. I should get mom. Yeah, how you guys take yeah, take a look at this call high. Ar mama thabe re le ba hore mama fodi la thabe khono re je kho yeah ke na tsekeleke ba fetula mona sharp tseki ya o ka no isa e go ro mong ya hao tseki ke na tsekeleke stutla sa vina too much nana tsekele ko reketse khuwa e bona mosake yeah iteki atsamale na khenise to shota jima ro fela e o isa go rumung tse ape yeah e ga tsekele ke ba fethu hi
yo la le
ke Black Cat wa ina tsa tshapa tleng
ke na le papa le sebeka itse ka gore ntshwaretse surprise
loko ri utlwa tšhelete ka ya sasa swara so ke tšhelete ya sasa ka
mosadi wa disiwa ladimo thank you lao mosadi wa disiwa
o tshwaretse lengwe shikamo
o tshwaretse surprise e nngwe
surprise nngwe
ba re na le go tshosanyana ke la go se butswa ka pela ne matsenase ne matsenase
What a cute surprise.
thank you hi chicken ndi fresh ro ke le kae wa maphiko a le bjana
tata wa piela yona mantsubane wa piwa ko yena tseke
wa maphiko a le bjana
Mafuka wa tosa ke mosadi.
o e tlo tshaba
o nyoko chabisa
a bona re tlhoisa